Health Minister of Meghalaya James P.K. Sangma had recently spoken to media persons on the COVID situation in the state. Speaking on the vaccination drive, James Sangma informed that there have been quite a number of vaccinated individuals between ages 12 to 14 years, though many are still to come forward for the same. Sangma also informed that the state government needs to equip itself with infrastructural support should there be further outbreak of strains of the coronavirus. However, on prefab structures in Shillong and TURA, Sangma said that the government needs to have such facilities to prepare itself in case of a spike in the cases.
It is no doubt, a challenge, and looking at all the challenges, it has been going a little slow. But we are hopeful that eventually, many children who are coming back to school, they will, parents and children alike, they will come forward and take their vaccinations. I don't have the figures with me, the exact figures with me right now, but it is slow in its movement. I would admit to that, but we are hopeful that it will pick up. See, right now, COVID vaccination, I would say we have seen considerable improvement in terms of the numbers, in terms of people eventually coming forward and taking the vaccine. There are still some people who have not yet taken, and I think that we have been trying to have awareness programs and counseling for such kind of people, but the response has not been very positive, and this is something that is voluntary, and we cannot force anyone to come forward and take their vaccines. So we hope that with the kind of counseling and the kind of awareness campaigns that we are having, maybe there may be some people who will eventually change their mind and come forward. It's a very, very small number, very small number of doctors who have not taken. And I don't think we should read too much into it, because in the assembly itself I had spelt out the numbers, and it's a very small number of doctors. So yeah, it's not that much of a cause for concern.
On the construction of medical colleges in Shillong and TURA, the Health Minister informed that civil work is ongoing for the administrative block, which is part of the first phase of the construction of the TURA Medical College. He also added that plans are on for the Shillong Medical College, even as the state government is still examining if it should scrap the agreement or consider the changes in the concessionaire agreement proposed by concessionaire Kolkata-based firm Kali Pradeep Chaudhary or KPC Group.
Okay, the government is still examining this matter in terms of whether we scrap this agreement or we consider the kind of changes to the concessionaire agreement which the concessionaire is asking for. So those are still under examination, but then not to jump the gun, but it does appear to be something that we feel after many discussions that it will be difficult to go ahead with changes to the concessionaire agreement. So therefore we are examining it yet. So final decision is yet to be taken. Yes, the TURA Medical College is very much on track. The first phase has seen about 30 to 35% or something like that of completion in terms of civil work. So it has been going very slow because COVID did impact the pace of progress for the civil construction. And of course there are also other factors which I have had several review meetings to try to address those kind of problems in terms of the approach road, in terms of water, in terms of electricity. And we are hopeful that we will be able to put things back on track to see that this project is completed. It's a very, very prestigious project for us. See, you must be aware that this is only the first phase. So this balance of second phase and third phase is yet to be started. This is just the administrative block which is being constructed as of now. So we are also looking at also starting with the second and the third phase together.
The Health Minister also made certain clarifications on the services of medical practitioners who are not bonded with the state government.
Yes, the government has never had any aversion to utilizing the services of non-bonded doctors. So, and there are certain procedures to be followed. There are certain things to be done before that. So, it's a process.